How can you transfer your money from your credit card to your bank account? Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you some ways you can transfer your money from your credit card to your bank account. So without any further ado, let us get started. So the first thing you could do is you could use a balance transfer way. Some credit card issuers allow you to transfer a balance from your credit card to a bank account. Another is cash advance. You can withdraw cash from your credit card at an ATM and then deposit it into your bank account. The third way you could do it is by money transfer services. There are a lot of money transfer services that will allow you to transfer your money from a credit card to a bank account. Some third party apps may offer the ability to transfer money from a credit card to a bank account, but be cautious and make sure to verify the app's security. Some credit card issuers provide checks that you can use to transfer funds from your credit card to a bank account. Just like cash advances, this method usually incurs fees and high interest rates. Just like so, these are some ways you could do it. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.